Alright, so here's a little truck update. Truck is on jack stands right now. The 4060 is out. About ready to get the master cylinder in. And let me see what else. The transmission is still here in the back. It's all torn apart in here. We got the new glove box installed. Clutch pedal is ready to go in almost. We also have the clutch installed on the engine now. Let me show you guys real quick, see if I can get a good little angle of it. Not sure if you guys were able to see that, but the RST clutch is installed. Now we just have to mount the transmission in there, take some measurements, and then take the driveline to the driveline shop, and also determine what shifter I'm gonna have to go with. And yeah, other than that, I mean, it's going along. Now here's my Circle D 3400 stall converter. Billet disc for sale if any of you guys are interested. Here's my stock 4060. It was still shifting fine, and yeah, there it is. It's all right there. Yeah, it's definitely weird seeing my truck in pieces, but yeah, this is gonna be one hell of a truck once it's all said and done. All right, that's all I have for you guys right now. Peace.
All right, so it's very early in the morning. I'm gonna be taking my truck to work for the first time in over a year. I've only taken this truck to where I work out like once. So I have it in quiet mode. Hopefully it's not too loud. It's very early right now. But okay, let's get my hell out of here. This is how morning me looks. It's too damn early. Well, welcome to the video, guys. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be one of the few last videos you guys will be seeing of this truck with an automatic transmission, because this is going to be uploaded while my truck is at my friend's house getting the manual transmission swapped into it. So yeah, whenever you guys see this, no, I did not get my truck back, and yes, it's being worked on still. Well, here I am in the middle of my drive. So far, truck has given me no issues. It is expected for the transmission to not want to shift into overdrive and first gear sometime this trip, possibly. So yeah, but thankfully we're getting that squared away with the TR6060 that I'm going to be installing. So yeah, I guess this will not have to be a worry in the foreseeable future. Well, we are almost here, and thankfully it has not given me any problems. It's been a pretty smooth ride. But yeah. Yeah, like I've said in the previous video, if gas wasn't so expensive, I honestly would not even mind daily driving this truck. So yes, by all means, it is daily drivable. You know, it's just a matter of how much gas money you wanna spend every day. So yeah, that's probably about the only thing holding me back from driving this truck. Because trust me, I enjoy driving this a lot more than my commuter car. It's a much more enjoyable drive, I will say. If you guys can hear. Oh yeah. And here we are now, chopping away at this light.
gonna miss the stall converter a little bit, but I'm sure once I drive that manual, it's all gonna go away. I won't forget about it, but I'll probably be like, oh yeah, this is much better. But I do like, you know, how the stall converter, I have room to mess around with the throttle when I'm stopped. All right, so now I'm here at work. Truck's sitting nice, parked next to my co-worker's F-150 5.0. Go follow him, 5.0 underscore thing. Follow me too. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So yeah, here she is, you know. I'm gonna miss her. Can't wait to drive you after work. All right. I'm sitting all the way in the back. I didn't want the tree sap to get on it. So for those of you that don't know, I am a diesel mechanic. So this is what I do for a living. All right, so I'm about to start off my truck, and my coworkers over here are pretty eager to hear it, it seems like. All right, let's start it up. All right, so what do you think, bro?
Man, it's fucking amazing, man. Even though I don't like Chevy, but
So what's up, man? Alright, I'm gonna let my coworker rev my truck right now. Alright, let's see what she got. Give her the beans. Come on, give her the beans. All the way. Go. Oh shit. Right as a cop is passing by. Do it again. Your turn. Ooh, what do you guys prefer, Coyote or GM truck?
no fucking way. Is this Andres, the YouTuber? No fucking way. Oh shit.
All right, so I am finally leaving work. I am entering the freeway now. All right, let's see if I can get a nice little quick pull in as I'm entering the freeway. All right, that was a mediocre pull, but nonetheless, it was not a terrible pull. So here we are cruising on the freeway at 80 miles an hour. I'm on loud mode right now. As you guys can hear, there's no drone in here, nothing. It is quiet in here. I can have a perfect conversation with somebody. I'm talking to you guys perfectly fine. I'm not straining my voice or anything. So yeah, definitely for those of you that have questions about my exhaust setup, I definitely do recommend it. All right, let's do a nice little highway pull. All right, that was all right. Well, hopefully with the manual transmission, it helps the top end a little bit, because I'm not very satisfied with how this thing performs on the top end, the way it's configured right now, if I'm being honest with you guys. So yeah, here I am, still on the freeway. You know, not much traffic. It's a nice day out. Having some fun driving this truck in my commute. Oh yeah. Well, I'm almost home, guys. I don't have much more to film for today. But to conclude with this video, if you guys don't care about gas money or whatever, go ahead. Daily drive a cab truck. I mean, it drives completely fine. You know, just make sure your transmission and everything is healthy on it. But honestly, other than that, in this particular setup, it's pretty comfortable and it's drivable. It is definitely very streetable, and but yeah, we are over 3,000 subscribers now. This is such a blessing. This video was shot the day before I took the truck to my guy that's gonna do the transmission swap. So I'll see if I have any updates in a later clip that I'll film later for you guys right before I upload this video. But as of right now, I am freaking pumped for this transmission swap. I know it's gonna change the dynamic of this truck a lot, and hopefully it enhances the driving experience and it makes it a lot funner, and it's gonna hopefully resemble a car even more. So on that note, guys, thank you all for the support. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.